So my name is Nelly, and I am the member of West DFW REI Club, and I have been attending their meetings and their classes. So far, I really enjoy and learn a lot from this group. And the latest one, like today, I was in the class subject 2 that Tim Cook is teaching. So in the beginning, I never heard about subject to topics, but because of attending the meeting in West DFW REI Club, I learned about this subject too. And I was very, not sure, unclear about what is it subject to because it's all new to me. And I persisted on keep on going to the meeting and listening, even talk to Tim, like emailing Tim personally to ask to clear up some of my questions. So that make me decided to join this full day workshop. That I'm really glad that I joined it today because I learned a lot from this workshop. And Tim is a good teacher. He explained very well all the subject to topics, and I can see that he knows a lot about subject too. And it kind of clear me from my kind of uncertainty, or maybe some sort of kind of skeptical about does this subject too really work or not work. But now, after going through this workshop and been talking to team, emailing team, I kind of think that yeah, this is a good one that I need to learn for my long term journey as a real estate investor. So during the workshop, team give us a lot of useful information, guiding us step by step. From even marketing to targeting your sellers, pre-screening your sellers, and analyzing the deal, making an offer, all the way to the closing day. So in a way, it's like step by step methodologically how to do this subject to deal. And also, he is willing to share with us, the groups, all of his documents that he is using for doing this subject to deal, which is like very amazing. So I recommend those who haven't take his, subject to workshop. I think you guys should, take it if you want to be serious about, investing for your long term. I'm talking about this as a long term because subject to topic is really you have to take it step at a time. It has a lot of details, but I think it will work as far as if we put in the commitment and the persistence in doing it. Like Tim has been experienced about 20 years in doing these deals. So it works very well for him, and I can see, he is like the authority, like the expert of doing this. So I think, yeah, I want to be like that too, to be successful and just be committed and doing it. And during the meeting, the workshop, Tim also bring in the lawyer, the title company, the insurance company, the mortgage servicing company to talk to us so that we have a better understanding how this all subject to deals will look like. It's not only like something fake, but something like clear and real that this industry people coming in to talk to us. So which, like I said, I'm very glad that I joined this workshop, and I want to put it into use for my long term. Yes, I know it takes hard work. It takes, like commitment, but yeah, I think I will do that. Thank you, Tim, for all your, preparation and, all of your, yeah, your sharing and things like that. Thank you.